Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to this new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money by this grab point. And guys, this is one of the highest paying survey job, okay, in which you just need to do just watching just TV, answering surveys, completing offers, and just downloading apps. That's it, and it is one of the highest paying survey company. Okay, so why I just come across with this website, guys? Lots of people are asking me that, sir, I just want to earn more. How do I do? So I just tell you guys, I just bring you in this channel lots of earning websites, lots of opportunities. Just you need to subscribe my channel, and just you need to hit the bell icon so that you get the notification of my of my current videos, so that you can also earn a good amount. For those people who can able to manage their part-time jobs and all, just by doing surveys you can earn a good amount, guys. Okay, so don't miss this video and just watch till the end. So what you need to do, just the website link is in my description box, guys. You can check out that link and can visit to this website. Okay, just you need to do just guys, just you need to join this. Okay, so for that I just type in my email account. Okay, so I just type my email account and my password. That's it, and just click on this sign up button, guys. Just click on this thing, and just some point, it takes some time. Done, guys, done. Just that's it. You need just that's it. Okay, just you need to do something and then you are complete. So guys, you need to perform some verifications. Okay, you just need to verify by email. So just open your email ID and just click on this confirmation, and you can able to do it in that way. Okay, just click on this confirmation and your grab point email ID is verified. You can see that your email ID is verified. There is a green tick. Complete your profile. Okay, I just complete my profile. You just need to type your gender, your name, okay, your last name and your birth date. Okay, you just type these small details. Okay, just that's it, and just type your address, city, state, zip code and country. Okay, I just put it quickly. Okay guys, just type in save, and already all things are done. Okay, just click on this link. Okay, grab point, just click on this, and you see that your complete profile is done. Now read our guides. So guys, you can see that you can earn quickly $100 to $500 every month. So it's not bad, guys. $500 is not a bad amount, guys. Just a quick money, just by doing small surveys, and just you can able to reward a lot. Okay, just read these guidelines carefully, guys. I just bring you guys a lot of things how you can able to do. Just do have a read how things are working. Okay, how you are paying. So just do have a read on these kind of things, and I just guide you some more things, guys. Just click on this refresh button. Okay, while you are reading everything, just, and you can see that green tick, and earn your first GP. Okay, so guys, these are certain surveys. You can see that there are some videos also that you can see. Okay, through earn 7 grab points and some offers, guys. It's not bad. You can able to earn these offers. Guys, if you are having any doubt in these offers, I should tell you that, guys, you have your different plan. Okay, if you want to buy some hosting, okay, if you want to buy, so these websites will provide you offers. You know, if you want to get your host name or so, okay, you can apply this GoDaddy coupon and you'll get discount if you want to buy a host name or a server. Okay, so it's also a good thing. Okay, so there are lots and lots of surveys. I should click on one. Okay, just click on this earn. Okay, and you can see that answer 9 quick questions yourself and unlock a service up to these points. So guys, make it a habit that you should do these surveys thoroughly. Okay, just click on this begin, type your age, whatever your age is. Okay, I should type, let us suppose I should type 22. Okay, just continue and just click on this I agree to share my personal opinions. Okay, just mail, and the zip code, guys, you can write your zip code of your country. Okay, enter your locality and district, just click on it. Okay guys, now I should tell you one trick. Okay, just don't go into these kind of things that what is your actual salary is. I just want you to pay attention to just one trick. What is that trick, guys? Just you need to focus on one point, that is the one who is having more payment, okay, who is earning a good amount per month or per year. Okay, he is going to give more surveys. Best companies are coming into this website to conduct a service in order to market their products. So for that you just need to do these surveys. It's very important, guys, because the most important thing in this, you should be of higher stature. Don't consider yourself as a okay, we just need to earn more points, that is why we need more surveys. So just give a detail that how many, not too much, guys, just a middle. Okay, just click on continue, and you can see that how you can able to just have a look that if I have a master degree, then I have a good qualification. Okay, and if I am a doctorate, then the surveys are different. College degree surveys are different. You can see there is a variation. So I just click on master degree. What is your current employment status? You can see that I should write it down, part-time, full-time, or self-employed, and you can type anything. Okay, so I just type part-time, employ part-time. Okay, it's good. And are you parent of child under 18? Okay, no, I'm not. Do you own and operate your own automobile? Yes. Are you currently in the military? No. If you are, you can type yes. Do you live with the adult family members like parents and spouse? Yes. Are you currently married? No. So I just continue this thing and just type where you born. Okay, I just type my okay, these are the certain things. You can see that my survey is completed. So just click on let it go. Okay, and guys, you can see that I have earned 24 points in just 1 minute. Okay, and I can see more surveys. Okay, while clicking on this thing, I just click on these things and just you should do these surveys so that you can earn good amount of grab points. Okay, what is this what are these surveys? Okay, you just redirected to these are your surveys, guys. You just need to pay attention to these surveys, just have a look. Okay, and just perform your okay. So there are some verifications that is needed. You just type your age, birth. Okay, these are your surveys. I sure you need to do it on your own. Okay, just type these surveys. You can earn from this also. Okay, you can earn up to $500. You can see that, or 500 points as well. So not bad, guys. If you just spend some more time, you can earn up to $500 to $600 as well while checking out this website. There are lots and lots of opportunities, as I told you that see the payment proof, guys. The top employers are who are, guys, who are loyal to these websites. You can see that they are earning a good amount. These amount of grab points are good. Okay, these are good amount grab points. They are just doing one thing. They are just surveying, do a surveys and just earn money. Okay, some paid surveys. You can watch some videos as well, guys. You just click on this video section and you can watch. So these are certain 0.50 just bonus if you just click on these websites, and you can earn up to a good amount of dollars. Okay, good. I do recommend you to just have a look on this website, and you can see that inbox is also contains some advertisements and all payment options. Okay, you can have a look on these. These are other surveys, guys, which are from higher countries like Europe, China, India, and England. Okay, so these are certain grab points that you can earn. Okay, you can also cash out your details as well. Let's see where we can cash out. Okay, so you can also do guys, referrals also. Referral scheme is also there. Okay, some guys are also so this is your referral ID, guys. Okay, so you can invite your friends as well. So guys, the persons who are not meant to do these referrals, I should tell you that don't worry if you are not a referral type person. Okay, if you are not earning with referral, don't worry. Who don't like these referrals can also earn a good amount by doing just surveys. Guys, just 1 to 2 hours a day. Utilize your free time with this opportunity to earn more. Okay, you can pay your internet bills with this. You can pay your credit card due dates as well. Okay, so it's not bad, guys. I should tell you that it's a good way of earning. Okay, your small recharges, your phone pay recharge, your unlimited packs recharge, this website is good. Okay, and if you are good in doing surveys, guys, and if your referral scheme is also there, then you do not need to do any referral kind of thing, guys. Any referral kind of thing, automatically your payments will be on your bank account automatically. Okay, so this is a good way, okay, to earn these kind of things. You can see that there are lots and lots of opportunities as well where you can pay out through this. Guys, PayPal is also there. Okay, if I have certain grab points, then only I can able to have a payment option. Okay, so PayPal, Amazon Pay is also recommended. Okay, through this, guys, you can able to get the Amazon free coupons as well. Okay, if you have this Amazon account, then some discount coupons. You can always do your payment and your online shopping as well with this Amazon. Okay, so it's not bad, guys. Just I do recommend you to have a look on these kind of things so that you can earn more. I hope you like this video, guys. Just please press the subscribe button, guys. I just want to make you guys earn at home, utilize your free times, guys, with this earning. Work from home so that you can earn a lot. Okay, and I just need your support, guys. Just press the like button and subscribe it so that I can give you more opportunities through which you can earn a lot. Okay, this is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.